Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage talking about some of my favorite products. So what we're talking about today is a time saver. Anybody that's doing body work, you may have used cardboard or scraps of wood to mix your body filler on, and it's quite wasteful and oftentimes it is quite messy. The Eastwood quick mix boards are very handy for mixing your body filler. It's something that you can mix your body filler. When it hardens and you have your scraps that are left, you can quickly tear this sheet off and you can keep going. It also has a nice handle on the back that's attached to the masonite board that the sheets are bonded to, and you can put your hand through the back here and you can hold it while you're mixing your body filler or you're scooping it to actually spread it, and you don't have to worry about dropping the board on the ground and contaminating your body filler. Now this quick mix board does come with 100 sheets. These sheets are coated so that they will not deteriorate when you put your body filler on it or break up like using just normal paper or cardboard would do. So you can quickly rip these sheets off because they are bonded on 3 sides and has just a little section that's cut here that you can grab, pull it, quickly tear it off, and you have a fresh sheet that you can mix your next batch of body filler with. So this is a huge time saver when you're doing your bodywork job, and usually you can buy one of these quick mix boards and it's going to last you for a whole entire job with no problem at all. So that's just a quick tip for one of my favorite auto body products that we offer. You can find this product down below by clicking the link, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right.